Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize listing syndication using ListGlut, full guide step by step clearly. To begin with, visit the ListGlut website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section located in the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled syndication. Click on syndication to access the listing syndication settings. You will see various syndication options available for your listings. Select the platforms where you want your listings to be syndicated. Once you've made your selections, look for the authorize button and click on it. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter your account details for each selected platform. Fill in the required information carefully to ensure accurate authorization. After entering your details, click the Connect or Authorize button for each platform. Wait a moment for the system to process your authorizations. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message indicating successful authorization. Return to the syndication settings page to review your authorized platforms. Make sure all selected platforms are now marked as authorized. To finalize the process, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. You have now successfully authorized listing syndication using ListGlut. Your listings are now set to be automatically syndicated to the selected platforms. Check back periodically to ensure your authorizations remain active. With everything set up, you can focus on managing your listings more efficiently. Congratulations on completing the authorization process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.